How to fix Instagram schedule option not showing. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. Now to schedule your Instagram, basically what you need to do is launch your Instagram and ensure to log in. Then head over to your DM section and type a message. Now, instead of tapping on the send button, just press and hold onto it and you will see this interface that is schedule message where you can select day, date and time. Now, if you do not have this feature, this means your Instagram needs an update. For that, you can check out your Play Store, or if you are an iOS user, check out your App Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram. If you see any of the update button, just click on update and wait until your Instagram is up to date, then tap on open. After that, you can try with the same feature. Another thing that you can do is you can actually force an update. For that, you can press and hold on to the app and head over to app info. From here, you need to tap on the force up button and OK. Then just move on to storage and cache and tap on clear cache. After that, you can try to open up your Instagram once again and check out the feature. This sums up the tutorial. Thank you so much for tuning in.